In this video, I am going to explain how to construct parallel line to a given line through a given points. Here you can see the given line and these are the given points. Okay, here another line, these are the given points. Okay, let's see how to construct this parallel line to this line through these points. Here I am going to use the two set squares. Keep one set square like this, align with this given line. Then other one you can keep like this. Okay, by holding this set square, slide this set square up to the given point, then draw a line. Okay, then slide it up to the next point, then draw a line. Okay, for this point, okay, this is how we are drawing the parallel line to a given line through a given point. You can see another line. Okay, keep this triangle like this, then keep this one like this here. Okay, then by holding this set square, slide this one up to the point, given point, then draw a line here in this way. Okay, for these points, okay, this is how we are drawing a parallel line to a given line through a given points. Okay, thank you. See you next video.